Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're talking about the Homax 10,120,000 steel wool. This super fine grade number 0000 steel wool is a game changer when it comes to cleaning, polishing, buffing, and refinishing. Whether you're a D enthusiast, a woodworking pro, or just someone who wants to keep their belongings in top shape, this steel wool is a must-have in your toolkit. With its uniform, high-quality metal strands and gentle abrasiveness, the Homax steel wool is perfect for a wide range of applications. It's flexible enough to reach in and around corners, making it ideal for smoothing wood, lacquer, varnish, shellac, and polyurethane. You can even use it to remove finish and buff furniture, clean precision tools, and gloss painted surfaces. One of the best things about steel wool is that it can be used instead of sandpaper for extra fine woodworking projects. Plus, when combined with the right products, it's perfect for cleaning and polishing chrome. And here's a neat trick: you can use steel wool to keep certain pests out by inserting it into holes. How cool is that? So, whether you're cleaning and refinishing retro wooden furniture or working on a fine woodworking project, the Homax steel wool has got you covered. Each bag comes with 12 pads, so you'll have plenty to tackle all your projects. If this sounds like something you need in your life, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Homax 10,120,000 steel wool today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy crafting and D-ing.